everyone, it's Rincon Steve coming to you from South Carolina. It is beginning of April 2023, and I just wanted to show you our latest. We just closed on this place in Piedmont, and like everything we buy, it's kind of a fixer-upper. Built in 1921, kind of get that craftsman look, and we're definitely going to change the color, and we're going to make some modifications, but in general it's a pretty good house. Not like some of these other things we fixed up, but this one has had some improvements over the years. You can see it's got gas pack unit, fairly new. We closed in the sun porch here. One of the drawbacks is we are kind of in a downtown area. The lot isn't very big, but we really did like the style of the house for the price. We're probably 20 minutes from downtown Greenville, and it's got a scenic river 1 mile down the road. So yeah, we'll do make this look better, clean it up. I know I've got to do the roof, I can tell that right now, and paint the outside, and you can tell also I've got to replace some shingles. This little bit here with the little windows, see, that was an addition done in 1988. The other thing I'd like to do is add a nice garage here, but that'll be last as far as the where the money goes. So right here is an entry. It's got the laundry. We'll see when we go in. You see the vent there. But I'd like to bring this out and raise the roof, so the roof edge is like up with that right across here, but out this far. And the reason is I'd like to improve the size of this kitchen. So here's the entry. Right now they have it as the laundry. That's actually the water heater under there. You can see this is just really not great space. Going into the kitchen, let's see, how do you turn the lights on? I think we do it over here. No, nothing went on. Here it is. See this funky kitchen? Get that huge refrigerator, and of course dated wallpaper, built-in cabinets. No, it's solid and clean, livable, but I'm sure some people lived. I think it was an estate. We bought it as an estate, so whoever lived here died, and they said they had owned it for 50 years. So, but you know, they took care of it. You can see, like, these are replacement windows, good quality. They seem good quality anyway. Anyway, let's move into the rest of the house. They call this a sitting room. I think we're going to make it a dining room. This is like an office. Actually, maybe we'll make this the dining room. Actually, this seems to be the most pleasant room. The light is to the south. The windows are to the south. But look at those floors. It looks like fur to me. And here's the living room. Big windows looking out towards the front. This is wallpaper. We'll be taking that off. And a fireplace. Here's the problem with the fireplace, though. Losing the fireplace. So this, I think they added this later. You can see this is not original. I don't really like the look of that. It just looks too chunky. But I found something. I'll show you a little bit later in this video. We just came into the shed that's alongside the house, and this is where we have found the mantle I wanted to tell you about, which was originally in the house. So that's what they took out and put in that brick monstrosity for some reason. So I don't know if we'll be able to save this, but I thought it was interesting. That's the original finish, I think. whatever the case, it was in the house. So that's always a fun find when you find some old piece that they saved, which I'm always happy about. All right, and we got a piano. They asked us if we wanted the piano, and LeVon says, yeah. Because we don't have enough furniture to fill this house. It's about 1,500 square feet back into that middle room. This is the addition that they did in 1988. You can see the ceilings aren't as tall. Paneling, small windows, but a good sized room. And this desk they left, and a walk-in closet. Oh, now the light doesn't work. There it goes. So electrical panel, they've updated the electric. It's a 200 amp, which is good. Those are the kind of things that concern you. And the bathroom was done back then too. Look at that brass or gold, right? That's back in, isn't it? The right setting. All right, so we missed one room over here. So that's one bedroom, and bedroom number 2 is over here. Again, high ceilings, big windows, nice floor, closets. You can look at that storage up there. Someone made the most of the space, and a little powder room in here. You know, just enough room to sit down, but still. So that gives us 3 bathrooms. Well, that's a half bath. I didn't show you the other one. The other one was off of this room here. So 2 full baths. This isn't a tub, but it's a shower. Oh, this is, it's like an acrylic. So we'll see what happens. Need to prioritize the kitchen as far as our renovation. Now let me just tell you what we are thinking here. I'd like to take this wall out, but that's of course the end of the house. It's a bearing wall, but I think there's plenty of height here. Well, we'll see. Either way, I want to go out into there and keep the height that high. But you see, this is where the other roof drops down. So this wall's going to go higher. Basically, we'll tear this whole thing off. Well, that's the plan. We'll see what really happens. And then just kind of remake the kitchen into some really nice space. It would be nice to have to come in, have like a coat closet, and a way of not coming direct, maybe come into this room instead of this room. Maybe even open this up somewhat. I was actually thinking of a French doors here too, to get more light into this room. And see, we got this 45-degree angle thing here too, and I'm sure that has access to the chimney, though I don't know if it's a fireplace. I have a feeling that it's probably, this may have been the kitchen originally, and because this actually, we've seen the same house, so I didn't show you this. This is the sunroom, and the old houses show this to be outdoors. So you came up the porch, would have been an open porch, and this is like coming in the back way, so to speak. So I have a feeling you'd come into the kitchen, and all this has been added on. This part and this part. So this is our newest project. So everyone stay tuned. I know I haven't really done much as by way of videos or even talked about my teardrop. It's still in North Dakota. We left it there because we were in transition, you know. At least I could leave it in the barn. But we have plans to go get that this June. That's the plan anyway. We actually might reconsider that too, depending on what goes on here. But I'll keep you in the loop as we start this renovation, and we really don't have plans to move in until maybe another 10 months from now. So it gives us plenty of time to do work on the property. And yeah, so stay tuned. Remember, you're not a Rinconian unless you subscribe. Take care, everyone.